It's time for us to work on the fence.
Yay.
I don't know why he's stressing out because he knows that I'm gonna help him. But the reason why we're doing this is because Susie and Cheesecake are able to escape the current fence. They're able to get out between the wood. We're gonna add some of this to keep them contained.
A little hot fence.
So that they can stop being escape artists and I don't have to panic about them getting out all the time. I have a feeling that this is not gonna be bad at all. I feel like it's gonna be very easy actually.
Got water.
What?
Water.
What do we need water for?
To drive a ground rod.
What does this have to do with that?
Ain't got much.
What?
That'd be in the ground, bro. In the hole.
Where's the hole?
Bro.
That is crazy. Never seen. I'm gonna pull my hair up just in case.
We need to get in there.
In the pasture?
Yeah. We ain't running it out here. Hand me that roll when I
The
get in.
whole roll?
Yep. Hand it over here. Hand it over here. Not over there. Over here. Right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. What's wrong with you?
Why are we going through this direction?
We need to be on the inside of the fence.
Coming back through this
We're gonna wrap the post, bro. You're gonna wrap the post. Keep going.
Okay. I see what we're doing now.
We'll figure that out. There you go.
This isn't bad at all.
Nah, it rained. It cooled off. Earlier when you wanted to do it at 1 o'clock, I'd have been dripping already.
We all know Blake tends to be a little bit dramatic, but it was really hot earlier. After we do this, can we take down the pool? Might as well. I mean, what else
Yeah,
do we
why-
have to
why
do?
not, huh? You said we're gonna do this, and you're following me with the camera.
I am doing it with you.
Just there for moral support, huh?
Yes.
Nice.
Stuff is super easy to set up.
We ain't set it up yet, buddy.
I have been shocked by an electric fence once, and it did not feel good. Hopefully, it does not happen again. So we're gonna let Blake be the one to test it out and make sure that it works.
Huh?
I'm serious, I'm not taking that chance again. It
What makes
scared
you
me.
think I am?
Well, you're stronger. You can handle more voltage than I can, for sure.
Yeah, I don't.
How does that work with you having metal in your body? For the most part, if they get out of the pasture, they come to the back door. One time they did go to the end of the driveway. I just can't take chances with that.
Not your poor baby. You can't lose them.
No. I would be hysterical if something happened to Susie or Cheesecake. When me and Blake talked, decided that we wanted to get farm animals. We knew that it was going to be a lot of work. We both
Bullshit.
decided that it was very worth it.
You told me it wouldn't affect me.
They are so mad right now.
All right.
Next on the list, I want to be a beekeeper.
I'm out.
We're both going to be beekeepers. He's already said he's down for it. I don't know why he's acting like
I
that
did
right
not
now.
say that, dude.
Just imagine me and you waking up in the morning, putting our suits on, go and take care of bees.
Yeah, and that's why I don't want to do it.
Basically, if the electricity goes out,
What do you mean?
this is not going to work.
No shit.
Well, I'm just realizing, like, that's the part that sucks. I feel like there's always something to do over here.
Get
Working on
married,
stuff.
it said. A woman that likes animals.
All we need is the extension cord. We're gonna hook this thing up. Stay away from the fence. It will bite you. The fence does work. Now I have peace of mind. I don't have to worry about them getting out. Blake says that we do not have time to get the pool down this evening.
Almost dark. We can do it tomorrow if you want to do it tomorrow.
What's for supper tonight? Some backyard boil.
She already stole up in that thing before anybody else.